Hey everybody, we're off it again, and we're in Vancouver today. Tomorrow we board Ovation of the Seas, but Vancouver is beautiful. We really want to show you everything, so we're staying at Hotel Willow. That'll be a separate video, and let's show you what's down here. The FIFA Cup, I'm going to show you where that's going to be, and so yeah, we're going to go get a drink and see what we can walk to, and you know the deal. I'm Kissa.
And I'm Colby.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're the Doody destination, so let's go. So this is actually where the FIFA Cup is going to be held, up there, and so we can see it from our room, and it's really big and crazy. So yeah, there's a lot of art here. It's a really clean city. I feel like there's no trash, and there's like flowers everywhere. And I'm extra pink for these episodes. I was just gonna say that we're originally from Massachusetts, anybody that follows us, so Boston pizza is really funny. And I'm usually wearing my clothes, but we're very laxy-daisy. We've had a very, very crazy day.
Yeah, it's locally back home. It's like, what, almost 9?
Something like that. Wanna go this way, maybe?
8:45 here, it will still be light out, so that's pretty cool, too.
Yeah, so we looked it up. That's another thing that I didn't realize. The sun will... Ooh, hold on, we're distracted. Alright, scratch that. We were getting distracted. Anyways, what we were trying to say is the sun doesn't go down until almost 9 p.m. here. So we left Florida this morning at... we were up like 4:30 by 5. Our flight left by 7. And so now, in Massachusetts time, Florida time, we'd be at what, 9? Quarter of 9. So, and then it's going to be right here, and we're what, 4 hours difference?
3.
Yeah, so we're
we
traveling.
We will be 4 at some point.
We're traveling in the
in
the twilight zone.
We can try some restaurants. We can get a drink. Like, did you look up what's popular?
Well, I wanted to.
So while we're walking, I'm just gonna kind of butt in here and talk a little bit. So I really like the location of our hotel. I felt like you could walk to anything in a little bit. We're gonna arrive. I didn't know the Hello Kitty Cafe was in Vancouver, but I found it on Yelp and I got really excited. So we're gonna go check out the Hello Kitty Cafe, as well as Gastown. It wasn't too bad of a walk down there, and I feel like you should really check it out. You'll see the clock in a little bit, and they call it Gastown because they look like gas lamps, and I really enjoy the clock. We dined at 6 Acres, so I'll throw some food and menu, and I really liked it. I thought it was beautiful. We got to see, kind of the sunset, and people walk by, and it was a really cozy environment. I really honestly recommend it, but there's plenty of food options. I leave Yelp reviews in Google, so we highly rely on Yelp, a lot of the time, and it doesn't lead you wrong. So, but yeah, so this is just kind of walking and bebopping downtown, and I think pretty much where we stayed here, you can kind of literally get anywhere you need to go, because we didn't take an Uber at all. We walked to everything, and it wasn't really that far at all, so just kind of note that.
So I just figured out the coolest thing in the world. Okay, so if you're just tuning in, you don't know my obsession with Hello Kitty, and they actually have a Hello Kitty cafe here. So when I met Kobe, we went to the one in Las Vegas, and we froze that night. It was really cool, but I really liked it, and I went to the pop-up many moons ago in Massachusetts, so it'll be interesting to kind of, yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna go take a picture in front of it. So I fly. There's Marshalls and Best Buy. Ooh, down there looks cool.
festival going on right now, I think.
Let's go see what's going on. I wonder if that's the like museum of art. I think it looks like an art museum.
Where?
That building right there. Back out so you guys can see the entire art museum. That's really cool. Those are neat. Should we do like a thing under those? I feel like we should. We're gonna take a selfie, guys.
We haven't gone there. I want to go.
So just to give you guys context, we kept going straight and we're going straight and we're going straight, and then all the way down the Hello Kitty Cafe will be on the other side of the road on the left. So the Hello Kitty Cafe and Gastown are two separate directions. So just so you don't get confused watching us, we literally walk straight the whole way down. Then we had to walk straight the whole way back, and we'll show you Gastown and how we walk that in a little bit.
Ooh, that's a pretty mountain view.
But still, she's still.
Hey, look at there we go. Chocolate. Might have to go look.
So I also want to note there are some lettuce stores around town. Canada is pretty, I guess, laid back with it. So if that's your thing, you know, rather than drinking, they do have that as an option. So here we did cross the street, but we're still going straight, and it's, I believe, a couple blocks, and we'll be at the Hello Kitty Cafe.
Like just a cafe. Remember, it was a food truck. And
That's what I'm saying. That's not the
what's
cafe.
that? Dank Darts? Dank Mart. Oh.
Go now if you're
Yeah,
going.
hurry up. Wow. Red Robin. Ooh, look at the strawberries.
So a few things I want to talk about real quick as we walk through 100 million more stores. I generally felt safe at all times in Vancouver. There was no issues. We travel a lot, so I mean, we've been some places where, you know, we've not been too sure. However, everybody I met had such nice energy. You're gonna see we're about to arrive at the Hello Kitty Cafe, and those girls were so nice. And of course, you know, I had to show them my Hello Kitty tattoos, so they were like, oh my god. So it was really fun.
Well, this place looks cool.
You don't want to cut side
Fried
of the
ice
food,
cream.
so I thought this was
I do, but I want to get here. I'm sorry. What? I want to go in there too. There it is. We found it, guys. It's the Hello Kitty Cafe.
Oh, cheese. Oh, it's like a coffee shop.
Ice cream cup. Yeah. Mango cake. Birthday cake. Ooh, those are
You look
cute.
Hello Kitty.
We gotta go look inside. It's cool. Hi, how are you? It's so cute in here.
So genuinely, I thought the prices were good. It's really, really cute. There's plenty of seating. Anybody who loves Hello Kitty has to visit. They have the cutest ice creams. So here's some of the bags. I got a little change purse, and it's just really cute. Some of their like hardware and stuff like that, like the bags and stuff, is a little pricey, but the only place you can get it is at the cafe. So for me, I was really excited. They also have really cute seating upstairs. We're about to kind of venture. See, that's a little coin purse I got. So we're about to venture upstairs, and so there's seating as well. So we took a crap ton of cute pictures. I was like a little kid in a candy store, literally. I thought it was so cute. I was so amazed. So if you have little ones, or like if your wife or your friends, whatever, you gotta visit it. I thought the detail was just really cute. The girls were so nice, and of course it's Hello Kitty. I just love it, guys. I'll grow up one day, maybe. Probably not though.
Currently closed. They open on Friday.
Wow, this is cool. Oh, look at the cruise ships.
Yep. Because that's where we're going.
Back on the map. So we literally, I didn't record. We walked all the way back, and then you go to the left a little bit. Google Walking can show you, any of those apps will help. But this is Gastown, and so it's just starting to get dark. But there's a lot to see. I really like the lights. They have like the gas style lamps, and these are really pretty at night. Like you got to walk this at night. I'll show you clips in a little bit of them lit up. It's just really pretty. And then we're coming up to the big clock, and so that's like one of the main things I guess Vancouver is known for, as well as you can see the ships. It just kind of snuck back there.
Was that the smoked accommodation area? Yeah. Is that it?
I think so.
Yep, it is. Wow, it's a lot. So the mechanism is the company.
It's really cool. Go take a picture.
Same thing.
Yep. So there's our ship. Just tell them we want on it tonight.
Could do that.
Let us on. I really like this clock. It's really cool. And donuts.
Is this place down here?
Yeah. It's a vibe here. I've been to Montreal, and I feel like it's a lot like Montreal. I love these lights. Ooh, that's a pretty picture.
So we ended up checking out 6 Acres for dinner, and they have indoor and outdoor seating, as well as our view from the top, which I loved because you could see all of outside. I got the fish and chips. They were really good, as well as a margarita. It was made to perfection. Those are fish tacos for our app, and Kobe got the beef stew, and he said it was absolutely delicious. I tried a bite. It was really, really good. And so that's kind of how we ended our night. And tomorrow we're getting on a cruise ship. So our next episode will be day 1 on Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas. But you don't want to miss these episodes, guys, because it was the worst cruise we've ever been on. So you need to know all the tips and tricks, what we wish we knew, what we didn't know, how we almost got stuck in Alaska, all the drama, guys. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow us around the world, and kissadoday.com for your cutest cruise fashion ever.